Now, let's go to past continuous. For past continuous, if you remember the marker we used in the present tense, it's gonna be the same marker. And we're gonna combine them together. We have te to indicate the past, and we have our marker ap to indicate the continuity. So we're gonna say te ap, which means tap. Okay? You can use the apostrophe, you can omit the apostrophe. This is ancient Creole, simple and easy. Let's go. Te plus ap means past continuous time. Let's see an example with it. Mwen or li meaning she. Li tap danser avec. Li tap danser avec mwen, li tap danser avec. Meaning she was dancing with me. Right? Li tap danser avec. Te plus a. This is our marker here to indicate the past continuous. Li tap danser avec. She was dancing with me. Okay?
Don't forget to subscribe.